How Toyota is helping Kentuckians impacted by catastrophic flooding, what Q2 profits look like for Cars.com, and bragging rights for Subaru after a recent crash test. Good morning, I'm Kristen Strakalaitis. Welcome to First Shift. More on those stories in a moment, but first, automakers are reporting lower demand in Europe and North America. Data from online car dealerships and auction platforms showed a slowdown in demand since March this year. And executives say waiting times on new orders are becoming shorter as order books thin out. That's even with production slower than usual and deliveries well below last year. Cox Automotive's Europe Director for Insights says consumers are being very cautious. Analysts say they are bulking at higher prices and keeping their cash for necessities. Now to the latest on the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's most recent side impact crash evaluation. Out of the 7 2022 midsize vehicles tested, Subaru Outback was the only one to receive a good rating. The Hyundai Sonata and Volkswagen Jetta earned acceptable ratings, while the Honda Accord received a marginal rating and the Chevrolet Malibu, Nissan Altima, and Toyota Camry all earned poor ratings. All the vehicles tested were 2022 models. The test was recently updated to replicate more real-world side impacts. Vehicle listings company TrueCar says its second quarter numbers saw a steep drop. The company says its revenue sank 36% and had an $11 million net loss. TrueCar says the inventory shortage and the rise in vehicle prices are to blame. Staying on the topic of Q2 profits for the auto industry, dealership technology company Cars.com also reported a smaller profit in the second quarter, but gains in revenue and dealership customers. The Chicago-based company says its net income went down 7% from the same quarter a year earlier. However, revenue went up by 5%. The company says its dealership customer base and the adoption of digital software tools led to the increase. As you may already be aware, parts of eastern Kentucky are experiencing catastrophic flooding. To assist with immediate needs and long-term recovery efforts, Toyota says it is donating $750,000 to the state. The automotive manufacturer is also providing double matching contributions for all donations made by U.S.-based employees to support the Foundation for Appalachian Kentucky SPP and the American Red Cross. Toyota will also match all contributions made by its dealer partners as a part of the effort. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.